So now let's see how we can utilize the guided recompose option inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So to use the guided recompose option, I'm going to go around under guided right here. And once I go around under guided, over here you can see recompose is an option right here. So if I were to go around and then click right here, then over here on the option, I'll see the recompose tools right here. So you can see that protect is an option right here. So let's say I don't want to this object to move right here. So I can just go around and then draw around the person who I want to protect. So in this case, I want to protect the boy from moving out from the place right here. So once if I want to remove something right here, let's say, for example, you can go around and remove the person out over here as well. So I'm just going to go around over here and remove out this girl right here, just like this. So let me just go around and then draw around over here, just like this, over here, and cover that up. So once I do that, you can see that there's let's say something out right here. So you can see that you can recompose with finer details right here, just like this, or project it out right here. So once that is done, you can go around and select out a size over here as well, just like this. As you can see, you can go around and then select out different size right here. And the boy will be protected right here, as you can see, but the girl will not be in focus. So you can go around right here and select out any size right here. And you can see that this is the girl right here, just like this. The girl has been squeezed down, as you can see, whereas the boy is not squeezed down when I select the new aspect ratio right here. You can go around and select out different options right here, as you can see, just like this as well. Let me just go around and erase this, and now I'm going to go around onto protect right here and just draw around right here. But let me just go around onto the remove eraser right here and remove the person out. So let me just go around onto the brush size and erase everything out right here. And I'm going to go around under protect right here. Let me just go around onto remove eraser and remove this. Let me just go around under protect right here and then just draw around on the girl as well. So in this case, what happens is that the girl will be protected over here as well whenever I recompose the image. So if I were to go around and select the girl as well, both of them are green, as you can see. So now if I were to go around and select out, you can see that both the boy and girl are protected right here. Similarly, we can go around over here and select out different sizes right here, and everything will be recomposed. You can also use the photo ratio right here, just like this, and you can see that you can simply go around and recompose this. But if it is not in proper format, you can see that you can start seeing some artifacts right here, just like this. So you can go around and resize this, and you can see that no matter how you resize it, everything is protected right here. So new details are simply added in, as you can see right here. So you can go around right here and then you can resize this, place this wherever you want, and there you go. And that is how you can use the guided recompose option inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.